Hi everyone, I am Angela Emeligan. I will be discuss about what particular GMO product that we search. Genetically modified organism or GMO are charitable to herbicide that is advantageous for farmers that control unwanted plants minus of damaging the produce. In this aspect, the purpose of GMO crops commonly consists of resistance to certain pests, disease, environmental conditions, and resistance to chemical treatments. In this side, the other purpose of the genetical modification of crops is to improve its nutritional value, increase the source of food, and faster growing of plants and animals. Producers and consumers alike benefit from genetically modified organisms or the GMO. Plants that have been genetically modified, for example, can help preserve crops by providing resistance to a certain disease or insect, resulting in increased food of output. Or the GMO are also essential medical sources. So, the GMO product that we search is about papaya. Papaya is an example of genetically engineered or horticultural crops that made it to market. It is a dream come true for scientists who wish to provide a virus-resistant papaya cultivar for the people. But it is also a dream come true for farmers who had lost too much papaya production to papaya ring spot virus. On the other hand, the papaya is rich in vitamin C and it is one of the best edibles of out there to strengthen the immune system to fight against disease and infection. Additionally, the possible health benefits of consuming papaya include a reduced risk of heart disease, diabetes, and cancer, aiding in digestion, improving blood sugar control in people with diabetes, or the lowering blood pressure and improving wound healing or other disease that could possible that could help this product. So here the ZMO as product as recombinant of DNA of technology product. Next is the process of GMO. First is it start with identify a genes from virus that could give the papaya resistance. Then next is the enzymes, which is the contents of this is proteins that can control chemical reaction. Were used to cut the genes specific points. Then it is also rich in enzymes which is effect against any disease. Next is the viral genes was copied. Then next is a gene packet was created by adding other to both ends of the viral genes. This DNA is on a marker gene was also added to show if the viral gene was inserted successfully. Then fifth one is the microscopic gold pellets were coated with a virus gene package and shot into the papaya cells using an early version of the gene gum with, that can be seen in this picture. Then lastly is the papaya cells were grown up in the plants and checked to see if they could resist the virus. The plants did show resistance and grow healthy and strong. So, as the researcher developed the genetically engineered papaya lines by using recombinant DNA techniques to isolate the clone of a PRCV gene that encodes for production of the viral coated protein. The gene was shot into cells of the papaya plants using a special gene gun developed at the experiment station. As a result of the discussion in the recently designed technique of genetic modification or the GMO, it is a use in genetic sequence from the virus and insert it into the papaya genome. And genetically modified papaya yield the coated proteins since they comprise a gene taken from the virus. Transgenes themselves are made out of DNA and consequently it is selected by the FDA as generally recognized as safe. Analogous to vaccination, in human, the papaya produces 100% virus-resistant plants and the GMO papaya has made a world of change. I think that would be all our presentation. That's all, and thank you for listening.